What's up everyone, we got Aspirant Aircraft Maintenance Engineer Prakash here, and today I'm here with a very positive video. Everywhere there is a climate like yaar COVID-19 ने तो पूरी मार के रख दी. That is the sin of negativity. But today I'm here to say you what is the positive impacts of COVID-19 on aviation. Number 1, if you study the graph carefully, you will understand that after every outbreak in aviation, the decrease in demand led to an ultimate increase in demand, and that too strong enough to outperform the previous years, and the overall growth is always positive. और ये ग्राफ ये दर्शाता है कि हर एक आउटब्रेक जैसे सार्स, 9/11 अटैक, एवियन फ्लू, ऑयल क्राइसिस जैसे अनेक आउटब्रेक के बाद भी एविएशन संभला है, और इस जैसे महामारी के बाद भी एविएशन संभलेगा. बट दिस टाइम द ग्राफ विल बी मोर शार्पर, so stay positive. Number 2, Boeing has completed the test flight of its MAX series aircrafts on 1st July for the recertification of the aircrafts. Obviously, this is just the start of relatively long run to recertify the aircraft. SpaceJet के पास 13 Boeing 737 MAX 8 grounded है और 192 ऑर्डर किए हुए हैं already. Obviously, the recertification will take so much time and we can expect it within mid of September. So if this get rectified, then we can see the 737 MAX 8 or SpiceJet again flying in the skies. Obviously, this will create a huge job vacancies in the aviation field. Boeing is doing this procedure in the unnotified pause in aviation, a condition of worldwide pandemic. And after this pandemic, there will be a huge boom in aviation, and for that airlines need the high performance aircrafts like Boeing 737 MAX 8, A320s, Neos and such narrow body aircraft, and the Boeing is getting prepared to deliver so. Number 3, post pandemic most of the small airlines will get priority. Startups as scheduled airlines like YuvaJet, Flybig and all. Post pandemic there will be not that much craze in aviation such it was before, and it will be after 1 or 2 years. Obviously, startups will get more priority because they are in a plan to order the narrow body aircrafts, that is ATR, A320s and Dornier 28, that is obviously manufactured by HL. So they can grow in those 1 or 2 years and grab a good market share. एक अच्छी संकेत है एविएटर्स के लिए, क्योंकि इससे जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ बढ़ेगी. और ये रहा आपके तीसरा positive impact of COVID-19. Number 4, after this global pandemic, the fuel efficient jets like Boeing 787, A350s will get more orders. The airline have to cope up with the loss due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Thus, for long haul flights, the companies or the airlines will use the fuel efficient aircrafts only. So to cope up with this situation, airlines have to fly approximately the full passenger capacity of the jet. As you guys know, just after pandemic there will be not that much craze in aviation, so the airline have to operate with small aircrafts, and thus A320s will get more orders. As you guys know that in India most of the airlines except Air India and Vistara are operating the narrow body aircraft, so obviously in India there will be a boom in aviation. Number 5, after this pandemic we have a least chance to see our national carrier in the hands of any private entity. Yes, I am speaking of our national flag carrier Air India. जितने भी रिपेट्रिएशन फ़्लाइट्स किए गए हैं और आगे भी जाएंगे, जैसे कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं कि अभी एयर इंडिया अपने फेज़ 4 में है वंदे भारत मिशन के, तो इससे अपना फ्रंट लाइनर्स ऑफ एयर इंडिया लिमिटेड, दैट इज़ एयर इंडिया एंड एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस को बहुत प्रॉफिट होने वाला है. तो और अभी इस फेज़ के दौरान एयर इंडिया का कोई भी इंडियन कंपीटर नहीं है इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में, सो इट इज़ मेकिंग ए ह्यूज प्रॉफिट अलोन. I think that Air India has least chance to be sold out. Government will retain Air India in its hands. This will reduce the chaos in the country of selling all the government entities to the private one, and will keep the fruitful employees of Air India Limited's job secure. So now comes what we should do in this condition of pandemic. Number 1, use this time to learn new things and skills. Don't waste this time. Use this time productively. कि जैसे ही ये महामारी ख़त्म होगी DGC मॉड्यूल्स के डेट्स डिक्लेयर कर देंगे, क्योंकि वैसे भी आप सभी लोग जानते होंगे कि जून का जो DGC मॉड्यूल सेशन था वो कैंसिल हो चुका है. तो आप लोग खाली घर बैठे उस मॉड्यूल का प्रिपेयर कीजिए जो आप सोच के बैठे हो कि अगले सेशन में देने वाले हो. Number 2, do something out of your stock. Feel free to expose yourself and Take this opportunity to reform yourself. Number 3, take a transit. This is very unclear that how much big impact this pandemic will have on aviation and how much time it will take until the aviation recovers by itself somehow. So guys, don't sit idle in your home thinking that when the pandemic will end up. Do some job, get the opportunity and मेक सम मनी एंड सेव इट फॉर फर्दर यूज़। ये थे कुछ पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट्स कोविड-19 के एविएशन में। गाइस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और आपके मन में भी ऐसा कुछ अगर पॉजिटिविटी है, पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट्स आपको दिखाई दे रहा है कोविड-19 के एविएशन में, तो फील फ्री टू शेयर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन और इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए ताकि ये पॉजिटिव वाइब सब तक पहुंच सके। ऐसे ही पॉजिटिविटी ओरिएंटेड वीडियोस इस चैनल में लाता रहूँगा। अगर आपको मेरा काम अच्छा लगता है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकन को दबाइए कि आप सबसे पहला मेरा वीडियो देख सकें। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, ए गुड इंजीनियर इज़ ऑलवेज लर्निंग इन ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स। जय हिंद।